बाबूराव का स्टाइल कॉपी करना पड़ सकता है 25 करोड़ का. Producer Feroz Nadiadwala, who owns the Hera Fairy franchisee, has slapped a notice of 25 crores on Kapil and Netflix because they have used Baburao Apte's character, Paresh Rawal's iconic character, without permission. यहाँ तीन लीगल इश्यूज आते हैं. पहला, कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट विच इज अंडर सेक्शन 51. दूसरा, ट्रेडमार्क इन्फ्रिंजमेंट विच इज सेक्शन 49. एंड थर्ड, commercial gains. What could be the possible defense? See, there's one caveat here, which is called as fair dealing or a fair usage. It means that copyrighted work can be used for certain purposes like review, criticism, or any research purpose and should not have any commercial gain out of it. But Indian jurisprudence में, Indian judicial structure में, it's very subjective case to case basis that how it will be taken up. But what could be the possible result of that? They might have to remove that whole sketch or they have to edit it in a certain way. It's a precedent set for all the comedy creators that they have to be very careful before copying any such copyrights. The most likely, the most favorable situation, which is they have to go in for settlement. What are your thoughts on this? Comment down below. What's my take on this? It's not a joke and it's not your regular celebrity gossip. ये एक केस स्टडी है आईपी राइट्स की एंड आपको इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टीज की पावर को समझना होगा. Otherwise, it can cost you huge money. And this is holds true for all the comedy creators and business in general too.